In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of extracting emails from your email account using the RecoveryTools Email Extractor tool. To install our email extraction tool, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. Our tool allows users to choose from multiple email clients. Let's select the Yandex option. Within Yandex option, users will see Use Batch Mode option to back up multiple Yandex mail accounts at once using a list of login details from a CSV file. Use Proxy option to connect the software to Yandex Mail through a proxy server by entering proxy details for privacy, location access, or to avoid restrictions. Now, enter your Yandex Mail login credentials. Click the Login button to proceed. Select the folders to extract emails using the checkbox in the panel on the left. The file naming option allows users to select a name format for the output file when converting it. The destination path section allows you to specify the destination folder where the selected file will be exported. Click on Change button to select the location. Go to Filter options to take a look at the advanced filter options of our tool. These filter options should be applied before starting the conversion, so you can export only the required data based on date range, from, to, subject, exclude folders, and other criteria. The incremental backup option backs up only the data that has been modified or created since the previous backup. User can also use selective export settings for email folder option. Go back to backup option. Next, simply click the backup button, and the extract process will begin. Once the extract is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that the extract process was successful. Click OK and open the destination folder to access the newly extracted emails. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.